Hello watch fans, this is Anders here on Watch On channel. I just got this delivered to my home. This is another watch from Christopher Ward that I got the chance to review. This is a very interesting watch. When I saw it first, I really fell in love just from the pictures and the videos on their website. So I'm going to do an unboxing, first impressions of this watch, and then I'm going to follow up with the full review in a week or 10 days or something like that. Also, of course, a quick wristwatch check. Just by complete accident, I'm actually wearing another Christopher Ward. This is the C65 CRANWELL. This is a pilot's watch. I did an unboxing. You can see the first impressions unboxing video by clicking the link up in the right hand corner or down in the description. I will be publishing the full review very soon of this watch. And also, if you haven't seen my introduction, my full review of this LANKON CASPIAN seal, a completely new micro brand, then have a look at the video. I did the full review yesterday. You can click the link up in the right hand corner or down in the description. So let's get this box opened. It is the typical Christopher Ward box. The newer boxes, I really like the new packaging. So you get this wooden part and then you get this nice leather on the other part of the box. So you remove this part. Then you find inside this keeper here in cardboard. This is a fiber cloth, so I'm not going to open it. You of course also get a pamphlet with your warranty card. And here we have the watch, and I was completely in love with this watch, as I said when I first saw it on their website. This is the new, very limited Christopher Ward C60 Bronze Ombre Green. Ombre is a way of having different shades of color within a color, and it's French, and the meaning is this different shades within the same type of color. Okay, and here we go. Look at this. I'm completely in love with the look of this watch, and I must say, the first impression here, which is the very first impression after I got it delivered just a few moments ago, is just as positive as when I saw pictures and video on Christopher Ward's website. So the very first thing we see when we look at this watch is of course this very unusual dial. This is handmade, so they made this ombre kind of different shades of green color, dark green color. This is not a very light green, it's a darker green. And then they actually finish it by hands with these patterns, which is kind of looking distressed or scratched. So no two watches are alike. Every watch is unique because of the hand finishing of the dial. You see you get these very nice hands which are kind of gilded. You see the pointy hour hand and the longer baton style minute hand, and then the little second hand here, as well as all the lume-filled hour markings which are gilded. The other thing we of course notice is that this watch is made in bronze, so it will oxidize. You see it's already kind of oxidizing. This is a review unit, so of course it has probably been unpacked before. I think it looks really nice, the green with the bronze. They did make it in a blue version and a grayish black version as well. You can have a look on their website. The price is approximately 1,200 euros, which is approximately 1,350 US dollars. You can use one of the discounts, so you get approximately 120 euros or $120 off the price. Have a look at their website. Just turning the bezel, it feels really, really good. Maybe a little more resistance would have been nice, but it's definitely super nice bezel action. What I really like with the newer Christopher Ward watches here, just like on the CRANWELL here, is that they actually now place the Christopher Ward name below 12 o'clock instead of at 9 o'clock. I think that makes it look much more classy, much more like professional watches, top quality watches instead of fashion watches. I also really like with this ombre that they placed the date window and they color matched it at 6 o'clock. You see it's chronometer certified and it's 600 meter war resistant. This is a Sellita SW200 movement with 38 hours of power reserve. So I think it's a really, really great thing, just like with the CRANWELL here, that they actually COSC certified these watches. This is a really nice kind of step up from the usual Sellita SW200 movements. The dimensions straight from the website. When I do the full review, this is just a first impressions unboxing video. I will do the real measurements. I will test the lume, the accuracy, all of that. Straight from the website, we get 49.3 millimeters from lock tip to lock tip. We get 13.4 millimeters in height, in thickness. You see completely flat sapphire crystal. We get 22 millimeter lock width here. And then we get a 42 millimeter size. It comes on this nice fabric strap here. It feels really soft and I really think it looks great. It complements the dial and the bronze really great. Again, I must say that the green and the bronze, they just go extremely well together. And here you see the case back, typical Christopher Ward case back, limited edition. Again, this is limited to 500 examples. Quick release here, which is also a nice thing. And of course, the buckle is bronze and signed for Christopher Ward. Okay, so here the Christopher Ward C60 Ombré bronze green is on my 17.5 centimeter wrist circumference. I can easily pull it off. It is a larger sports watch, a larger 600 meter water resistant dive watch. You see also the big crown here and these very kind of anonymous crown guards, typical sports style professional dive watch. It wears really nicely. I will of course be testing everything with this watch. Right now, I think it's an absolutely stunning, beautiful watch. It feels really nice, it looks nice, and the specifications are really great. I think the price point is amazing. But let's see in 7 to 10 days, when I have tested this watch, if I'm just as excited about this watch. It is on loan from Christopher Ward, so it's of course going back to Christopher Ward after the review. So I hope you enjoyed this first impressions unboxing of this very limited new Christopher Ward dive watch. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and leave a comment down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.